speak to the creator of the show from a limited perspective. You had an opinion on a scene, but you never had an opinion on a storyline, because you will never share an opinion on a storyline with the Ekta Kapoor. But after 25 years, it is interesting to watch her get amused when I have opinions on storylines. So for me, the fact that the craft today is presented on a platform which is also witnessing an offshoot on OTT, to me, the fact that the creator has had such a tremendous journey, that is the exciting part of it.
Ekta, you impacted generations, not one generation, of how television was consumed. It was also Kyunki and all the other television that you created almost became a daily habit of domestic, viewing in India. 25 years later, now you've hit the digital screens and Kyunki is back, and back to what numbers? Tell us about this journey.
So I think mediums have changed in the last 25 years. I've done films, television, digital, and every medium has its own challenges, its own euphoria. But nothing in my life ever gave me the euphoria. And I don't think anyone in any medium, and I'm saying this, it's a really modest statement to make, has ever seen euphoria the way Smriti and a few TV actors at that time saw on television. You see, we've not even understood what TV had created as it was called the soft ambassador of India, and Smriti was, I remember a speech of Mr. Tharoor where he said, "Thank you Tulsi for its impact on places like Afghanistan." So for me, when we were bringing the show back, how is it like? It was damn scary. To actually tell now this icon in various fields to come back and work on a medium like television and do a show like Kyunki. I remember me telling Smriti, we have serious thrill issues to do this, to actually go back and play in a playground that has changed so dramatically.